LWD stands for Logging While Drilling. It is a real-time formation evaluation service used while drilling the well. We use LWD when we drill in new or complex formations, when decisions must be made quickly, or when reducing drilling risks is critical. LWD provides real-time data that helps geoscientists and engineers make faster, smarter decisions, improving efficiency and reducing costs. LWD tools are placed just above the drill bit. As we drill, the tools measure the formation properties and send the data to surface. The tools measure properties like gamma ray, resistivity, neutron, density, and more, all in real time while drilling. The data is transmitted from the tool to the surface through the drilling mud using pressure pulses or electromagnetic waves. At the surface, the data is processed and displayed in real time for geologists and engineers to interpret. This real-time information helps us make critical decisions, such as steering the well, identifying zones, and avoiding hazards. LWD provides continuous logs similar to wireline logs, so we can evaluate the formation as we drill. The result? Better well placement, safer operations, and significant time and cost savings. However, LWD is more expensive, and data quality can be affected by mud and borehole conditions. Skilled interpretation is essential. LWD gives us real-time insight to drill smarter, safer, and better. Drill smart, decide fast, succeed together. If you want to make educational videos like this, you email me. Let's make learning fun for everybody.